Archimedes is a mech boy who serves Ghazghkull Mag Uruk Kraka. Probably the smartest orc that ever lived. This odd boy developed the teleporter technologies used during the Third War for Armageddon, among other weird stuff. Many speculating he's not even a real orc, but rather an idea of what an orc mech is as a symbol. I don't know what that means, because it's stupid and either he is a thing or he's not. Developing enormous great gargants, heavily armed submarines, and other bits to help Gaz's War to claim Armageddon. Apparently, the Officio Assassinorum have been hunting him for years, but never actually got him. His war machines outgunning even those massive Umi Titans, baffling their princess. Whether he's real or not, I bet he's well chuffed with the havoc he's caused, making life a right pain in the arse for the Umis.